former Senator Farhatullah Babar has lauded the Supreme Court verdict in Faizabad Dhana Case as a milestone in the journey to correct failings of the state and in illumining the democratic path. In a statement today, he said that the Supreme Court had done its job and it was now for the Parliament to enact appropriate legislation for determining the mandate of intelligence agencies. The opportunity offered by the verdict must be seized by democratic institutions to end manipulation of public opinion, backdoor re-engineering of political landscape, and crushing dissent, all as manifestations of contempt for the people. Recalling that some time back an aborted attempt was made in the Senate to bring a premier intelligence agency under legislative framework, he urged the upper house to take a lead in initiating legislation to determine mandate of ISI and intelligence agencies as directed by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court ordered the Defense Ministry and respective services chiefs to penalize the personnel of armed forces found to have violated their oaths is a breath of fresh air, he said, and expressed the hope that the process will be initiated soon. Whether those who violated their oaths are actually penalized or not was not material at the moment. What is material at present is that the process is at least set in motion. The court's observation that Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority failed to take action against cable operators as broadcasts were targeted in cantonment areas should expose those who sought to manipulate public opinion and stifle dissent by underhand means, he said, adding Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority is now under obligation to investigate the matter. Farhatullah Babar said that verdict had illumined the path for the Parliament, the state institutions and the civil society to tread